Hello, welcome to my channel. I will tell you how to make an AI video in less than 2 minutes for free.
I'm going to make that video in less than 2 minutes. Check out this fast tutorial and make sure to follow each step until you're done. It is absolutely free to make. Step 1. We need to make a voiceover. Please open the Elevenlabs website. Choose the free plan. You can create your own choice of voice by going to Add Voice and selecting it. Visit the online platform and choose the speech synthesis option. Pick a voice that you like and generate it. Step 2. Go to D-IDCOM. Choose the free version. Click Create Video. Here you can create your own photo or use a photo of any celebrity. Just enter the name. Choose the photo avatar you like and go to the audio section to upload your voiceover file. Paste your recorded script and click Generate. That's it. Your video is ready. In the next video, I will tell you how you can record your own voice. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe if you like the video.
Hello, welcome to my channel. I will tell you how to make an AI video in less than 2 minutes for free.